Okay, we are about to take the COVID test. Y'all can't take my eyes off of this because I'm so freaking nervous. Yay! Our test is here. Don't mind the little things, they keep coming from the trees, but let's grab our test. Okay guys, I'm super nervous. So we are about to take the COVID test from Quest Diagnostics. I probably should have opened this before, but you know, I didn't. Y'all, I'm super scared, super nervous. I don't feel sick, but I think that's one of the biggest misconceptions is people think you have to feel a certain way. So yeah, I am opening up the packaging. This is what it looks like. It's just a little box. There's a little opening slip here. And there's that. There's a little pamphlet that says self-collection kit for COVID-19 quick guide, and it says read all instructions before starting your COVID-19 self-collection test. What should be in here is the test requisition, which I have pre-printed, and then I should have this little swab wrapped in paper. I should have this bag. I should have my box, which I do have, and then I should have this tube with liquid, which I have as well, and then I should also have a FedEx pre-printed white bag, which I also have. So the instructions before starting the kit: all materials on a clean surface, which I just wiped down my bathroom like countertop. It says locate and sign the test requisition, so I'm about to do that first. Y'all can't take my eyes off of this because I'm so freaking nervous. Okay, so I'm about to sign that. I gotta go get a pen. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, got a pen. Put this on here. That's good. I'm going to be washing my hands real quick.
A few moments later.
I have my directions here to follow. So I washed my hands. I did step where I peeled off the label and put it on there. Step 5 is where we get down to the nitty gritty. We take this little thing, pull it out. Do not touch the tip of the swab, and open the specimen tube, holding it in one hand and the swab in other hand. Do not drink the liquid, okay? I don't know who's out there drinking the liquid, but they felt the need to put that you cannot drink this here. Insert the swab into the nostril about 1 inch, rotate in a circular motion on the inside edge of the nostril. Do this 2 times and keep it in place for 15 seconds. So, this is a weird feeling. Okay, I feel like I got sneeze. I'm over dramatic, but I'm serious. So circular motion 2 times and then keep it in place for 50 seconds. And repeat the same process in the other nostril. Okay. I'm gonna hold that. Oh shit. Put that in here. And it says break off the little tube thing, screw the cap on, and place the tube into the bag. Seal the bag. Important, do not remove the white sheet from the bag. So there's like a little slip here. It says don't remove. Putting this in there, place the bag into the box with the test requisition. Okay, y'all, so I'll just put my requisition paper in here. I put the specimen in here, and we are closing this up to send it off. Here's my little bag, and I'm gonna stick this down here. And we are going to drop this off at a FedEx location. Once it's all in there, we are going to peel back this, put it down, and we have our COVID test. Okay, calm down. So I have to get this there before 3 o'clock. Right now it is 2:41. It says you can drop the postage paid FedEx return box to a box location the same day you collect it before 3 p.m. Do not drop your specimen package in a drop box on a Saturday or Sunday. So I'm about to go take this to the FedEx store because I have one that's like literally right across the street from my house. So let's go drop this off. Lola's going with me to drop off this important specimen. Right, Lola Bear? Come on, Lola. Look at this car, y'all. Why? Why you couldn't just wait? Okay guys, I just got to FedEx. Lola is with me. Lola's gonna stay in the car with the air on real quick while I go run this in. I've got my COVID specimen and we're about to go take this in here. It is right now 2:50, 10 minutes to spare, y'all. So let's go get this in here and get this dropped so they can come pick this up and let me know whether your girl's good or not. See y'all in a second. You lift it up. Slide it in. That's it. I've just dropped off my COVID specimen, so I'm about to go home and relax. It takes about 24 to 48 hours for the results to post, so I'll see you guys once those get posted.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So I am excited to announce that both of my COVID tests have come back negative. I have done 2 tests since I originally recorded this video footage, and you guys, the time that you wait is literally like 48 hours after you turn the test in, but that time spent, you're literally like gnawing on your nails because you are just a big bottle of anxiousness and like nervousness because you don't know what it's going to come back and being that COVID has different strands and affects people in different ways. You can have symptoms or you can be asymptomatic, and it's just, y'all, it's real out here. But I just wanted to say before we close this video out that I know this weekend is Labor Day weekend, guys, and I know that we are so used to being those party goers for the holidays. We're used to being engulfed in people, being around our friends, family, and just having a good time. But do know you can still have a good time. You just have to take into consideration that we want to keep ourselves and our family members safe. So what that means is while you're having a good time, make sure that you keep in mind wearing your mask, washing your hands, staying hydrated, and also staying 6 feet apart, okay? We want to work together to flatten the curve because we want this COVID stuff to be like done. Y'all, I want to go to a festival again. I want to be able to go out of my house without a mask again. So I am begging you, for the sake of people who have a voice and people who don't have a voice, please keep COVID in consideration during your holiday weekend. Enjoy yourself, but be mindful that we are still on a mission together, y'all. We are stronger together. So keep working at it so we can get this curve flattened, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.